Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa S9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, disassembling the entire front panel of the machine, raising the top panel as well to remove the brew unit and service it, which means we relubricated the brew unit, inspected to make sure that there's not any damage and all the parts were moving smoothly. We deep cleaned the shower screen as well as replaced some of the O-rings located on different parts of the brew unit itself. We also did a discade on this machine and a couple of cleaning cycles and rinsing cycles of it, just to make sure that the spouts and the cappuccino side were working without any issue. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test it out. Then we're going to be using a cappuccino side, and then we do not have the little hole, so we will not be able to from milk, but we're going to be able to see how steam comes out of the steam one itself. So starting one shot of espresso, now we're going to test it out. The machine is running some beans and it's pushing them into this funnel that goes directly to the brew unit. Once it fills up, the brew unit will compress that coffee and water will come out from the thermal blocks all the way to the spouts. And as you can see, nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Really great color. Working perfectly. Now we're going to be testing the cappuccino. Like I said, we do not have the hose, so I will not be able to siphon water this time with the machine itself. But we're going to still be able to see how the steam one will be dispensing steam coming out of here. And that is a perfect flow coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, really good pressure, working perfectly fine. I'm going to manually stop it since we do not have any milk or anything. And then we're going to be able to see the cappuccino side coming out through here. And I don't think I have a cup for it, so we're just going to see it dispensing to the tray itself. That was pre-infusion, and that's how it should come out. And as you can see, nice steady layer of crema, working perfectly fine. And fortunately I do not have a container ready for it, so let's just stop it manually. And as you can see, cappuccino side, steam one side, and the spouts working perfectly fine. Now we just get to test the hot water function of the machine, which should be, if I'm not mistaken, this one. Perfect. And nice steady stream of hot water coming out of the machine. Very hot, to the point that it burned my finger. So there you have it, Jura Impressa S9 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.